about the hole location. Let's see if I can get this in view. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to measure it from, yeah, let's go roughly, it's about 2 inches, and I'm pretty much at the center line from the end of the inner rocker on the driver's side on this OEM reproduction. So I do know that this is about a full inch off. So the problem I got is now it's below the floor pan. Not to say that it wouldn't be, that wouldn't have run into an issue, but it's only about the diameter's, let's say roughly an inch. So I would have been close, and I might have had to eat into the floor pan a little bit, but this is going to be a little bit more challenging. And I don't know if you can see, let me just get in view here. When I go to the other side, where I've got that orange thing, I'll come back around and measure it. But as you can see, it is about an inch above where reproduction is. I'm just going to get under here. Apologize for the mess. Alright, so let's see if I can get that in. So there's the hole. And then about center line, and we're almost at 3 there. So yeah, quite a noticeable difference, and there's really not a lot I can do at this point other than just make a provision, and that we will. So come back. So that's what I'm gonna do. I apologize for the shaky camera work, but yeah, as you can see, more work to come, but that's some of the small things that you're going to run into on this. It's not going to be perfect, and when you're dealing with the parts that aren't dimensionally correct out of the box, there's some modifications that have to be made. So yeah, know that going into it, that nothing's perfect. This isn't going to line up exactly the same it should, but you would think somebody would notice a whole inch, but they didn't. So alright, until the next one, peace.